ShipBob Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to ShipBob and related resources can be found in the description below. ShipBob is a third-party logistics 3PL provider that caters to e-commerce and dropshipping entrepreneurs seeking streamlined fulfillment and shipping solutions. Designed to handle storage, picking, packing, and shipping, ShipBob aims to elevate the customer experience by offering faster deliveries and transparent order tracking. With a network of fulfillment centers across the United States, ShipBob allows businesses to distribute inventory strategically, cutting down shipping times and costs. One of the key features of ShipBob is its integration with major e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, making it easy to sync orders and automate the fulfillment process. Additionally, the platform offers real-time inventory management, enabling merchants to maintain visibility over stock levels in multiple warehouses. This is particularly beneficial for dropshippers who rely on accurate, up-to-date inventory data to minimize overselling and back orders. ShipBob's analytics tool also provides insights into shipping performance and order data, helping merchants identify trends, optimize operations, and make informed decisions about future inventory distribution strategies. On the strength side, ShipBob's multi-warehouse approach can significantly lower shipping times and costs, especially for merchants selling to customers across different regions. Businesses with a reasonable amount of inventory can split stock among multiple fulfillment centers, ensuring that items ship from locations closest to buyers. This practice not only improves delivery speed, but can also reduce shipping expenses. Moreover, ShipBob's onboarding process is generally smooth, with dedicated support to help new users integrate their stores and transfer inventory. However, there are weaknesses to consider. Smaller dropshippers or merchants with low order volume may find ShipBob's fulfillment fees and storage costs too high relative to their margins. Additionally, while its multi-warehouse model is excellent for scaling, it does require careful inventory planning, which can be complex for new business owners. Some users have reported occasional delays during peak seasons, underscoring the importance of forecasting inventory needs well in advance. Overall, ShipBob is a strong choice for mid-size and larger e-commerce or dropshipping businesses seeking a tech-enabled fulfillment service. The platform's integrations, multi-warehouse strategy, and data insights can lead to faster deliveries and better customer satisfaction, provided that the merchant's volume and margins align with ShipBob's pricing model.